Today we make smooth pineapple pudding. Super easy. These are all we need. Cook it with sugar. This removes bitterness. Let this soak for a few minutes. Melt it completely, no lumps. Let's start with a fresh pan. Pour the milk. Add some sugar. Add condensed milk. This makes it rich and sweet. Now add cream for extra smoothness. Let it heat and combine nicely. Add melted china grass slowly. Keep stirring. Let's assemble the pudding. First, add a thin layer of pineapple.
Now pour the mixture gently.
Spread it evenly. Top it with fresh pineapple and nuts. Creamy, fruity, perfect. Follow for more delicious recipes.